And if your options aren't limited by what you can and can't do yourself, that means anything is possible. There's no way I'm going to be insulted when I call my video channel Crippled CEO. I have a secret for you. You can own a restaurant and be bad at cooking. You can own a graphic design company and not design any graphics, and so on. How do I know this? Because I own and have now run the country's best pool fence manufacturing company for over 2 decades, and I am physically incapable of manufacturing anything. I'm also not very mechanically inclined. I am bad at manufacturing. So how then? Because if you're doing the thing your business sells, you don't have a business. You have a job. And jobs are great, but there's a difference. If you have a business, you can disappear and it will continue delivering goods and services to customers without you. If that isn't possible for you, you have a job. This is good news for people like me, and maybe people like you too, who have limitations, which might make you think that owning a business isn't possible for you. The truth is, there are lots of jobs that I definitely can't do. But running a business is the most accessible career choice that I am aware of. So if you can't bake, you can still have a bakery. You just need an employee or partner who can. And if your options aren't limited by what you can and can't do yourself, that means anything is possible. How often is that actually true for us? Only in business. Do you know who has a business where she can do whatever she wants? Your mom. And she did all those things with me last night. She also subscribes to my channel, likes all my videos, and I think you should too. Thank you so much for watching, and you and your mom will see me on the next one. Porn stars don't have lovers.